Hey everybody, it's Derek from HobbyBoxBreakers.com here with tonight's Panini Certified break number 3 for the auctions that ended not too long ago on eBay. Let's dive into it. First pack. Mark Sanchez, Vernon Davis, New Generation, Julius Thomas, it's probably numbered at 999, Calvin Johnson, Michael Turner. Matt Castle, Jordan Shipley, Matt Forte, that's numbered out of 100, Dwight Freeney, Steve Smith. I need to get my camera in better focus. Here's the first hit. Fabric of the Game, Marcus Colston, numbered at 250. Darren McFadden, Mario Manningham, that one looks kind of refractory, yeah, numbered at 250. Certified Potential, Colin Kaepernick, numbered at 690. Devon Bess, Peyton Hillis. Deion Branch, Tim Tebow, Tyrod Taylor, Marcus Colston, and Ndamukong Suh. Marshawn Lynch, London Fletcher, James Carpenter, Tony Moyaki, Jermaine Gresham. Still 3 more hits in 5 packs. There's one. Oh, that's nice. That's pretty nice. Jason Snelling, Austin Collie, another Jason Snelling, that's numbered out of 100, blue parallel. Tom Brady, Brandon Pettigrew. For a jersey card, this is pretty good. Dan Marino for the Dolphins, numbered out of 100. So for a non-auto hit, that's a pretty good one. Andre Johnson, Greg Jennings refractor, Michael LaShore, Devon Bess, Peyton Hillis. And the third hit, a rookie prime patch auto Alex Green, running back for the Packers, numbered 23 out of 25. Not a great player, but a low number. Still one more. Mike Tolbert, Kenny Britt, Paul Posluszny. Oh, that's nice. That's a black, numbered 1 of 1. It's the first 1 of 1 we've pulled. Put that immediately into a top loader. Matt Ryan, Dallas Clark. And the fourth hit, Fabric of the Game for Forrest Gregg. D-tackle from the, looks like the original Super Bowl team. Yeah, played on the first Super Bowl for the Packers. Number 7 out of 25, so some low-numbered stuff in here. 2 more packs, who knows? The way Panini and Topps go, God knows we might have another one. Mike Goodson, Bo Scaife refractor. Jamie Harper, Certified Potential. Brandon LaFell, Chad Henne. No extra hit. Deshaun Jackson, Jermaine Gresham refractor, Clyde Gates, Certified Potential, Des Bryant, and Pierre Thomas. So the hits, again, there was the extra Paul Posluszny, black parallel, 1 of 1. Forrest Gregg, Fabric of the Game. Alex Green, Prime, Fabric of the Game. Dan Marino, Immortals, and a Marcus Colston, Fabric of the Game. So not the greatest break ever, but got a 1 of 1 and a nice Dan Marino jersey. Be sure to check out the website, hobbyboxbreakers.com. There's a couple on there. I'm going to pop on eBay pretty soon if they don't start selling the football ones anyway. And I'm going to have a Donruss Elite probably ending on Monday because since it's Super Bowl Sunday, and what's the other thing I got? Probably do Panini Gridiron gear again for Monday. So check those out. Add us to your favorite sellers. Follow us on Twitter. Like us on Facebook. Hobby Box Breakers. Hobby Box Breaker on Twitter. And subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your purchases, and I'll get them out certainly by Saturday. Thanks.